Today, we're looking at how to isolate the voice from any audio or video clip using CapCut's built-in feature. Let's jump right in. Start by adding your video or audio clip to the timeline. Now just tap on the clip once to select it. You'll immediately see an option called Isolate Voice right on the bottom toolbar. Tap on it and you'll get two simple options. Keep voice. This removes background music and keeps only the voice. Remove voice. This removes the voice and keeps the background music. Choose the one that fits your need and CapCut will process it automatically in seconds. This is a super handy feature if you want to make karaoke style videos, extract vocals for remixes, or clean up your audio for Reels or YouTube. And the best part, the effect is applied directly to the clip, so you don't have to manage extra layers or do any complicated editing. That's it. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy CapCut mobile tips.